Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start with short composition, notice writing. What is notice writing? A notice is a very short piece of writing which is usually formal in style. It is widely used by individuals and organizations to announce events and celebrations, births and deaths, occasions, example inaugurations or sales, to issue public instructions, to make appeals, and to extend invitations. Most notices are meant to be pinned up or pasted on special boards meant for the purpose. Some notices, example notices from government departments, appear in newspaper. On the school notice board, you might have noticed the notices regarding school admission or regarding the events or competitions to be organized in school. In newspaper, you might have seen lost and found notice, appeal notice. Similarly, in society, in communities, you might have seen notices regarding the meetings or the charity to be organized by a certain community. An effective notice. So, what points to consider? Name of the organization or institution or office that is issuing the notice. Then, second, date of issuing the notice. Usually, the students sitting in for board examination write the very date when they are to appear for the exam in the notice itself. The word notice, and you notice that the word notice itself is in block letters. A suitable description, caption, or a heading that needs to be a phrase, not a complete sentence. Purpose for which it has been written, for example, it's a meeting, an appeal, etc. What notice it is all about. Details of schedule when it comes to events, date, time, venue, program, duration. So when it comes to events, we have to give all the specific details. Then signature, name, and designation of the person issuing the notice would come on bottom left. The style and tone of the language would be formal or semi formal or informal. Now, what points to consider while writing a notice? Notice can use capital letters for details such as name of organization and caption. So, when it comes to the name of issuing authority and the heading or the subject, it needs to be in block letters, capital letter. Second, the date of the notice can be placed at the top of left hand corner, and the date can be suppose 30th April 2021 or April 30, 2021. Then the individual responsible for issuing the notice indicates the name below the signature in parenthesis followed by his or her designation. That is, the signature will come, the one who is issuing the notice, then his or her name will come in block letters, and then his designation would come. Usually present tense and future time reference predominates in the notice writing. Content of the notice must answer to the questions what, when, where, how, etc. That is, what is the purpose and what is the schedule of the event, date, time, and venue, and the specific instruction regarding that event or the program that is to be organized or the notice is all about. Use impersonal language, that is third person. Avoid I and you. The entire content of the notice is placed in a box. So the layout of the notice is what? In the center setting we are going to write the name of the organization or institution issuing the notice in capital letters, block letters. Below it the word notice compulsory in block letter. On the left hand corner of the notice is the date. The format of date is 30th April, 2020 or April 30, 2021. Then below the notice you're going to write down the heading or the subject. This heading or the subject again would be a phrase, not a complete sentence, and would be in block letters. Then the content of the notice, that is all the date, venue, time, program, duration, instructions regarding the notice. Then we are going to write down signature, that is to a signature, and then the name of the person issuing the notice in capital letters, and then the designation, and the notice is to be placed in a box. You are the secretary, Science Club of your school. Write a notice for your school notice board encouraging the bright science students of classes 11th and 12th to participate in the inter-school science exhibition to be held next week in a neighboring school. So, in the very center setting, the name of the institution, that is St. Joseph Senior Secondary School, Kosoli. Then below it is the word notice in block letters, and then on the left hand corner is the date, and then below notice is the heading, that is Inter-School Science Exhibition. You can notice the word notice compulsory is in block, the rest, the heading and the title, the first letter capital, rest small. Then is the content. The content says Science Club of our school. Rather than writing St. Joseph Senior Secondary School, we have written our school. Why repetition is not allowed when it comes to writing skills. So Science Club of our school invites the names of bright and enterprising science students of 11th and 12th who are interested in participating in inter-school science exhibition to be held at the parade ground Kosoli from 10th of August. Only students whose projects, charts, and models are selected by the club will be eligible to participate in the exhibition. Send your names with your projects and models to the undersigned by 28th July. So, what it is talking about the entries for the competition. Whoever is desirous should come out with the projects and charts and submit the same for the exhibition. So, that is why specifically we have not given the time of the exhibition, as the time as the exhibition would be in the neighboring school. And then what is there for any queries, contact undersigned. So if you have queries, you can contact undersigned, that is the name of the person and the designation of the person issuing the notice. So any queries you are having, you can contact the undersigned. Signature, name, designation, and then the notice is to be placed in a box.